The next measure of dispersion which I am teaching you today is the variance. What is variance? Variance is square of standard deviation. Nothing but variance equals to root of uh, standard deviation is equal to root of variance, or variance is equal to square of standard deviation. Now, what does this measure basically? Why do we need this? Variance measures how far a set of data is spread out from the mean value. Mean is a central value always. So, from the central value, how much data is spread out? To find out that, we use variance. Now, why am I talking about only mean? Why not median or mode? Median or mode is used in case of mean deviation, but standard deviation is always computed using the mean values. Therefore, from the mean value, how much data is spread out? To find out that, we use variance. Here we have a distribution where all values are 50 girls, and if you look at the mean value, even that will be equals to 50, and therefore variance will be 0. If values are similar or identical in a distribution or same, then your variance will be 0. If you have a distribution like this, 51, 50, 53, 55, 52, where your mean value is 52.2, and when you calculate your variance, it will be very small. The reason being, values are closely related or associated where the scatteredness is very low. In such a case, your variance will be very small because values are close to each other. And if you have a distribution like this, 5, 50, 45, 155, 200, etc., where the mean is 91 and 91 is largely spread from 5, 91 is scattered from 200, highly scattered, and therefore even your variance will be very high. So your variance can be high, small, or 0, depending upon the distribution given to you, but it can never be negative. Variance can never be negative. Either if the scatteredness is high, then variance will be high. If the scatteredness is less, variance is small. If values are identical or similar, it will be 0. But variance can never be negative. This is how variance is used to find out the spread of the data from the mean value in any given distribution. I hope you have followed it. Thank you.